So, you like the trail?
It's unreal.
That's got to be one of the best trails I've ridden.
It's nuts. The corners rip.
Those berms are like 3 times as tall as me.
What do you think about the second half?
Second half for me?
I don't think we're quite there yet.
I think the tidal line is awesome. Mountain biking as a sport is super flexible, so why not build the trails like that? The top is super friendly, and the bottom, if you want to send it, it's ready to go.
How involved was Brett in the building process?
You can say he's involved.
Steeper. I changed my mind. Pretty good.
This should be a whale tail.
Too steep.
Probably should have been there less.
Berms and berms and berms. It's like riding a highway, man.
It came out good. Like, it came out really good.
I don't really know how to describe it.
A lot of people are gonna ride it and be like, oh, this trail's sick, title's sick, everything's sick. It's definitely gonna be the new go-to lap.
Agreed. Are there gonna be more of these?